All right, boys, what's good? It's your boy AJ back at it. I know you guys haven't seen me in a minute. This is basically my return, but I'm just documenting my trading. And at the moment, we're in a trade. All right, so this is gonna be all kinds of scuff stuff, right? Because I'm just back. It's been a minute, but here we are. And yeah, let me show you guys the trade we're in. I trade on my phone, right? I trade on my phone. So I have my Elgato here, but I need the lightning cable or whatever. So right now I'm gonna just show you guys what I'm doing. We're gonna place this short position because we're in a short right now. So this is, and the way I trade, it's not that small, but hold up. I don't know how to, dude, I'm garbage with this stuff right now. But our stop is basically like, I'd say 10 to 15 pips. And yeah, don't know, I'm gonna try and delete this real quick. So this is basically a documentary, and I'm documenting everything just for me. I know this account used to be Rush Royale. I love you guys, Rush Royale people. But yeah, that game's dead as fudge. But yeah, I got a new mic and everything. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it. I hope not, or maybe, I don't know. But so yeah, basically we entered here and our stop is right above here. So the way I trade, right, I'll explain it a little bit. I'm gonna try and get out of this. Okay, right there. So our trades are right there, and we are now waiting. So basically all we're gonna be doing is just waiting. All I am, because I'm just documenting my stuff. So this is basically my journaling. I'm gonna be editing this. And yeah, so right now 0.4s, I don't know if you guys can see, but 0.4s, I'm gonna show you right here. So 0.4, that means each pip is $1. All right, so let me take you through what I'm thinking with my trade, right? So look at my crosshair, right? This is, well, okay, I don't know how to explain this, but I'm gonna be dropping little gems every now and then. Nothing's really gonna be like, how do I say it? Nothing's really gonna be like laid out for you guys, because I'm not really trying to teach anybody to trade. So just get that through your head, all right? But yo, shout out to all my like Rush Royale people. I still love you guys. Freaking low. Anybody that's pound cake, anybody that's watching this right now from back then, all my videos are still at the playlist section. But yeah, we're no longer playing that game. All right, so if you ever wanted to watch those videos again, just go to the playlist and it's all there. All right, so 8 o'clock is when I always take my trades, when I start taking trades, right? If it doesn't happen at 8 o'clock, it happens later, but never before. All right, 8 o'clock candle is the god tier candle. Okay, so what we do is look at the trend, right? Right now we're trending. Is there a way to not have this? I don't want the lines everywhere. Is it always like that? All right, never mind. All right, cool. So now we're gonna show, I'm not gonna draw trend lines because I don't use any indicators or anything. Even though you do see this MACD at the bottom, I just use it because I like the screen a little smaller. But yeah, it's not, I don't be using it. Okay, so I don't know how I'll be looking in this camera. This camera's garbage, so you know, it is what it is. I just woke up, and yeah, what am I saying? All right, so 8 o'clock, we always look for our trades. 8 o'clock, right before 8 o'clock and at 8 o'clock is the best potential trade setups. Usually if I have a good day, it's usually when I have a trade at 8 o'clock, right? Like right now, today is pretty smooth. 0.4s, I haven't done 0.4s in a minute, and hopefully it goes good. So right now we can see we were at an uptrend, right? Uptrend was here, and we go by, I use the hour chart, all right? Only hour, but sometimes, like, I don't know, because 1 minute shows little gaps and they take those gaps out, and you could get sniper entries with that. But I'm not gonna be doing that on here because right now I'm already in a trade and I do that on my phone. So I'm gonna just be looking at the 1 hour on here, and then when I get my Elgato and stuff, I can show you guys what I do on my phone. But right now my phone's sitting over there because we're in a trade. All right, so uptrend, we always look at the 8 o'clock candle, right? So we'll show you guys some little things, right? I don't know what it is on here because on MetaTrader 4 it's the 14-hour candle. So apparently the 8 o'clock candle is 12 p.m. here for some reason. All right, so we look for the 12 p.m. candle. 12 p.m. candle right here. You see this? All right, so uptrend. What do you see this? Uptrend, 8 o'clock candle. So uptrend consolidation is a buy. We don't sell. We're not trying to sell anywhere here, okay? Uptrend consolidation is a buy. Uptrend down, uptrend downwards, like right here. This is a bad example, but isn't, whenever it goes like, just picture this but downwards, right? That's a buy automatically, especially if it's at a support area. But if it's an uptrend up, I either don't want to trade or I'm looking for reversals and it can still push. So those days those are usually my losing days. So all right, 8 o'clock buy, right? Okay, so where's the next 8 o'clock candle? Is this for real? I gotta make sure this is right because I don't know what this be talking about, bro. Like, you see what I'm talking about? Oh no, it's 8 p.m. I mean 12 p.m. right? Yeah, right here. Here we go. Okay. And I caught this move as well, I'm pretty sure. This was, what day was this, bro? October 23rd. Am I bugging out? Oh yeah, it's right here. Okay. Yeah, I caught that move. It took a minute. But yeah, this is the 8 o'clock candle right here. I got in right here because consolidation. I'm pretty sure I tried getting in here. But when there's no structure usually, like you can see, like this isn't good. So you can see it better on MetaTrader, but you need to be able to tap areas first before you can take off, right? So that's what it did right here. Okay, and then it was a buy. But now we have a reversal, not really a reversal, but it wiped us out. Then that's showing us it wants to go to the downside, right? So last time I took my trade, I took another trade right here. I lost because then it pushed up because I was supposed to get this right here. It's supposed to build that support first. Sometimes this could be the support, but sometimes it wants to touch the previous wicks, right? I don't know why, I just know it does that a lot. All right, so then I got in for a sell and I rolled the whole thing down. And I can show you guys that trade. The week is up 400, right? I got this account all the way down to like 160, which is scary. I don't want to put no money in this again, you know what I'm saying? Just keep it how it is. So yeah, right now we're at 0.4s, but now we're, you see, downtrend. We got this downtrend, right? And this happened late in the day, so it wiped us out. As long as it stays above, we're still looking for buys. But if it does anything like this and at the end and it closes for like a negative position, or like where it was started at the beginning, like this is 8 o'clock, right? This is where we open, right at 9, right? So if it goes below this, we're looking for sells, but most likely, and if it stays above this, we're still buying, right? Or if it goes nowhere, it's potentially a reverse or a buy. This is a very confusing stuff. If you're anybody that like was just watching Rush Royale, this is years of, not really years, it's been like, I think, yeah, it's been years. What am I talking about? A lot of years of trading, right? To get even understand anything that's going on. But yeah, so downtrend happening later in the day. This is nighttime, right? All right, boom, 8 o'clock. Wait, is that 8 o'clock? Let me check on my phone, because 8 o'clock was right here, right? So this is 8 o'clock. I actually sold right here. This is where I sold. and I lost like 4 times in a row, right? Then I tapped this and I saw this, then I dropped with it, right? So now we're just looking at the same thing. Now it could come back up, hit us out, but if it stops us out here at this little area up top, this little wick, I'm okay with that, because it means this move is invalid. But if it does not touch the top of this wick or go above it, it's still valid. All right, so right now there's a lot of waiting going on, and if it does go above, I don't know if I'm gonna trade anymore, because if it comes up above here, we know buys are happening, right? Buys are happening above here. Okay, this line. So let me just show you guys here. I'll just draw this, because this is the highest point, right? If it breaks above this, it's over, right? So if this breaks above here, I might see how it reacts here, potentially going in for another sell, or I'm just gotta be patient, because bro, you have to understand with this stuff, bro. In order to make the monies like that, we gotta just wait, bro. It's so simple, but nobody does it, right? Just wait. There's no reason to be impulsive, and that's another reason why I record these videos now. It's because it stops me from being impulsive, because then I look like a retard, right? So if I start losing a lot, so I no longer have that luxury, which is good. I don't like how these candles are on here, because it looks so ugly compared to how it is on MetaTrader. But yeah, point 4 is if we do get this break below, let's see how many pips is that. That is I don't care about risk to reward, but as long as it's just, as long as the move makes sense. But my risk to reward is usually very, very good, just like these. And you got to be very selective about how it is. So I might start just playing my YouTube, watching my videos whenever I'm in a good trade, like whenever I'm in like a winning trade. I usually turn on Halo and I start playing, because there's nothing else for me to do except manage the trade. But however, bro, I'm so mad. I don't know if you guys watch Halo or anything. I'm just talking to myself, bro. Optic just lost the world championships, you know, it was tough. And yeah, that really hurt me. That really hurt me. So most of this video from now on, I'm probably gonna cut out, because it's gonna be like what, 2 hours, 3 hours of just sitting here and talking, and I'm gonna really just like edit out the non-fun parts. I know it looks like I'm leaning, but I want to make sure you guys can hear me. So I don't know, maybe I should just stay like this, bro. I don't know. But yeah, it always gets nerve-wracking when the trade is in this position, but this is how it always happens. It always happens like this, right? And if you lose, it's all right. We lose like 40 on the $600 account, and the key is to build up the small capital, bro. If you could build up small capital, it feels like you're playing games, like right now it feels like Monopoly money, even though it's a live account. I'm not playing. I've never traded a sim account ever. Yeah, I think you should, because I don't know, at first, just to get the feel for it, because yeah, I remember, I don't know, should I talk about like the beginning? Yeah, maybe I should just start talking, right? Whatever. So I never traded a sim account. However, when I got into Forex, not really Forex, it's really just NAS100, because it's the only pair I trade. When I got into trading, right, I first saw No Nonsense Forex, right? He is a top tier YouTuber. However, my boy trades with like 6 indicators, right? So I was out there. If you followed his things, right, his program, well, not really program, but his instructions on how he did it, he had this indicator list, like pages on pages of indicators to search through, right, to find your setup and like make a system, right? But bro, I could not do that. If you guys can't hear me, this kind of sucks, but I'm tired of leaning forward. But yeah, I could not do that, bro. It was just too much. So I watched all his videos, and this is when he first came out, and he was dropping a video like, I don't know how recent it was, but it might have been once a week or like every like 3 days or something, right? But I was there and I was like, damn, I really want to do this, right? I'm pretty sure this was the beginning. Yeah, pretty sure. No, I'm retarded. Yeah, I actually did trade a sim because that's the beginning with him. I opened the Owanda account and I put 50. I didn't put 50, but I had a fake $50 account, right? I mean, fake $50,000 account. And he was saying I had my system in place. I didn't really put much effort into that. I mean, I put effort, but I felt like I'm just garbage at like searching for good stuff, right? I was gonna say like because everything's within you, but like it's kind of cringy, but yeah, I was bad at searching for indicators, right? So I would do that for like, this is when I was playing ball, right? And I used to wake up hella early just for basketball right before school, and I graduated still playing ball. And 5 a.m. he would trade by the day candle, right? The day candle is crazy. I'm not gonna cap, but the day candle is crazy. But yeah, this is what I was doing. So each day I would wait for the indicator to say something, and then I would take it. But bro, the slowest progress ever, bro. Like, I'm talking about like, bro, you're not getting any, like this $100 trade, I mean this $100 account that I have right here, dude, you're not getting 500. Like, it's not possible. You cannot. It would take you years, dude. I'm not even joking. But yeah, so I would do that. My hair look crazy right now, right? But whatever. So I would do that. Dude, I don't know if you guys can hear outside, but these people are out here blazing that. They're blazing sun. Comb down my hair real quick. All right, I'll just wash my hair. So yeah, he has all these videos, right? But his psychology videos were top tier, bro. Not gonna hold you. Psychology videos were top tier. So I watched all this. I got discouraged afterwards because, dude, like my 50K account went to like 48, and it's been like, I don't know, it was a couple, it might have been just 1 month, right? But I knew, I was like, bro, this is not gonna work. This can't work, right? So then I saw Tyllionaire, bro. That's my guy. And if I get big on YouTube, I want to collab with bro. Well, not even collab, but like there's nothing to collab on here. But like maybe a podcast or something. And shout out Doyle Exchange, bro. Doyle Exchange. We're gonna get into all that. All right. But yeah, no nonsense forex taught me. Yeah, I still have videos I go back to this day, right? So, damn, if I talk with this whole time, I might just post the whole vid. Yeah, we're still in the trade. You know, we're waiting. We do have news. My bad if I get off topic, guys. I gotta make sure. We always have to check. Right before I wake up, I check if we have news, right? And we have Empire State functioning in 1 minute. So that might take us out. I don't know. I don't really trade big news, but all news does is enhance the move. Whatever it was gonna be, it was gonna be, unless it is crazy news, right? So yeah, that's why I'm not scared about news, and especially like a New York thing. I might just eat my words and get stopped out, but I'm still not scared because that's just part of the game, right? So yeah, where was I? All right, but like, yeah, if it's like PPI or like CPI news, I'm not hearing that. Even though I usually do call it, it's just not worth the risk. It's just sketch as fudge, especially with a smaller account. Maybe when I have a bigger account, I could put some on there, but yeah. All right, yeah, anyway, so no nonsense forex. I watched all his videos until he stopped. He still does his podcast now because he came back, but he stopped for like, I'm pretty sure it was like 2 years, right? Something like that. But yeah, but indicators was not it. I took all them things off, took everything off, couldn't do it. So I found Tyllionaire, and I saw him turn like 200 to 800 in on gold, right? Sorry if I'm looking down. I'm looking down at the trade, bro. Like, it is stressful at the beginning, but and we're nowhere near in the clear yet. It needs to be around here, right? We need a break around here, and then definitely break around here to be super clear. But yeah, here's the news. We're gonna see what happens here. Could just push up, but hopefully not. All right, but anyways, tyllionaire, he made a video, 200 to 800 in gold. I was like, what the fudge? So guess what I did? I found his broker, which was a sketch broker. It was like Trader's Way, right? Put 200 in. I was trading, bro. I was like, okay, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it, right? So I was doing all that, and yeah, I lost it all basically. I won like 38. I was like, holy fudge, bro, we're going crazy. But then I lost it all. And yeah, so disappointed there. I didn't know what to do. And I just kept looking at him trade. And this is the only person that I bought from. But I bought his signals group. But not because it was a signals group. It's because he showed, like, he live traded when he did it, right? He was live trading, and I was just looking at how he does and like how all the candles move and everything, because this was all foreign to me at first, right? And yeah, like I was just like, little by little I would get it. And I think I started I stopped using his signals for a while, and I'm missing some parts, right? But we're gonna get back into it, like with all these videos I'm gonna start making. But I missed a lot of his signals for a little bit, or like his live stream. I'm trying to remember everything, bro. It's too much. But I would watch all of his videos, right? I binge watch all of his stuff. I saw how he had this lifestyle. I'm like, bro, how the fudge? How's he doing this, right? And he talking about making like his first 20 grand. It was like his like it was nothing. Like he spent it all. Like, bro, I'm like, bro, he's making money like that. I'm gonna make money like that. Because I knew I wanted to do trading, right? But I didn't know like how to do it and how to really get that bread like that. I'm stuttering my butt off, bro. I'm not used to talking this much in the morning, bro. I'm usually just chilling, watching my trade and like watching my videos, but whatever. All right, so then my cousin Salim, right? I was gonna get back into trading, and this is before I found Ty, right? No, I think I found Ty, and then I took a break because I was like, damn, I'm losing so much money or whatever, and I just stopped. And then my cousin Salim brought me back, right? And he's like, yo, you got to get back on this trading stuff. I was like, yeah, bro, I used to trade a lot, yeah. And then I was really putting it off until I was at his house one time, and then he forced me to sign up on Hugo's Way, which was the best decision ever, right? Because it forced me to get started. So I put 600 in. Yeah, I put 600 in, and I got it to 8 grand, right? I'll show you guys on my Instagram. Got it to 8 grand. This trade is looking sketch, bro. I'm not gonna lie. But this is how if you trade like me, this is how it acts constantly. Because it could either just shoot all the way down soon, and we gotta wait till like 9:30, right? You guys are probably skipping this, so it's alright. But I could show you my my post on my Insta. Like, you can get a verified badge. What is going on now? Like, bro, I should not be verified. My my Instagram is AMGXAJ with 2 J's at the end. I know it's like copying AMGXI, but I have an AMG, and I like AMG, and XA I did kind of copying, bro. I'm not gonna cap, but yeah, I like the name. So I love Psy as well. I found him later on in my trading career though. But yeah, all right, so here are my profits. So first I had my first ever trade. I think this is flipped, right? It's flipped numbers, right? That sucks. But my first ever trade, it says 1,037, right? My first ever trade was I think it was a ETH trade that my cousin called out. and I was like, bruh, you know, I'm just throwing out this 600, right? So I do the trade overnight. It's overnight trade, which is sketch as fudge, but I said fudge because I didn't know what I was really doing, right? I got like 300 out of it. I was like, yo, what the fudge? I was absolutely perplexed, right? So but this was like, I think the worst thing for me. Even though I didn't know what I was doing, I did not have the right mindset at this point. I had it back then because of no nonsense forex. I basically kind of forgot all of that, and then I didn't forget it right away, but in like a couple months I forgot it. But because I thought I was like, yo, I'm that guy, right? So 1,000 there, right? This is the move, right? NASDAQ, and I was playing tyllionaire song. Oh shoot. Right, so at another 1,300, right? This is the second day. Whoa, I don't get copyrighted, bro. And then this was my biggest day, 2K. And this is what I'm talking about with the, that's a 2K day right there. And this is what I'm talking about, consolidation upwards. This is what we need now, soon. When we get this again, oh my god, dude, I don't think you understand how much money we're gonna make. But it's not about the money, it's about the move. So that was my $2,000 day right there. And yeah, so I literally got there. I got to 8,000 in like, I'm pretty sure it was a month, right? It was a month that I got to 8,000, and it was right here. I took an L there. Late night trades, but yeah, it was I don't know where it was. Yeah, it was right here. This one got me to 8,000 right there. I got to 8,000 right there. So hopefully you could even see that, but I'm not capping. You just go to my Insta. All right, but this trade is not going perfect, and we might just lose on this trade, but it's all right. Because as long as you're patient, it's okay. But if it doesn't tap the top, it's still valid. It's just what it is. Like, we can't do anything about it. You have to accept the risk, okay? You have to accept the risk. All right, so anyways, so yeah, got to 8 grand, and I basically dropped it all the way back to like 400, right? And now that's where I'm at. It's been a long time since then too, and I've been just a break-even trader for that time. And yeah, I'm now trying to get back there. So we might lose this trade, and we're gonna have to wait till like 9 o'clock. Might end the recording and then come back again if I see something else. But yeah, not much else to say. I mean, there's a lot to say, but I'm usually just trying to chill right now and let the trade do what it has to do. It is pushing up a lot on our MetaTrader 4, and it could also get to right here, because on the 1 minute there are some gaps on the 1 minute, and it does like to take it out. However, we gotta wait till that happens. So we lose this trade right here, we're gonna wait till right here, stop loss probably right here again, and see what happens. This could be room for reversals, which is no, not the best, but I could see it happening, right? First YouTube video, a loss, we'll take it, but it is what it is. No matter how close it gets, it has to touch. Like, I've been in so many areas where I just get rid of it before it touches, and it wins. So bang. All right, we lost that one. We're gonna wait till 9 o'clock. We're gonna see what it does when it gets up here. Let me make another line right here, what I'm looking at, because I'm not going on the 1 minute here because it doesn't show the same things, right? Dang, bro. Come on. All right, so this could be a potential switch, right? You got to be careful here. We have 529 in the account now. That was a minus 60 actually. So emotions are there, yada yada, but you gotta stick with it, bro. You gotta stick with it. Now this might be a reversal. Very well be. Very well be. So I gotta be careful with this. I might go quiet. I'm gonna just chill out for a little bit and wait it out. Dude, I hope you guys can hear that. Let me check. Nah, I don't think so. Bro, I look like a homeless guy, bro. Fudge. Looks asymmetrical, dog. Alright, we're waiting. We need to wait another 30. I think I'm gonna just cut it until we get something. Alright, so we're back. It's 5 minutes till open. Wait, where am I at? Is this one? Yeah, okay. There's 5 minutes to open, and we're just waiting 5 minutes out. 1 minute, let's get it. Let's get it. This move still might take another hour, so. There we go. It's pushing. Not yet though. There's just no trade for us yet. Gotta be patient if it pushes down all the way right here. It is what it is. But it did pass above this line. So I see no trade. It could be a trade here because it hasn't passed here yet, but that is risky. And it might come down here, touch this imbalance right here. And yeah. It might fill that out, come back up. And if it does that, then we know it's a buy. Like 99% sure. Where is this thing? How did I get this like this? Oh, yeah. Can I have just the lines? Like, I would just like. Whatever. Alright, we're pushing up. Breaking here, but I know I said above here is buys, but this is a point of interest as well. However, entries with this right here is very sketchy, and usually it would take multiple entries. But to get it right, because there is really no solid area, right? So we're coming up to it. We're gonna see how it acts, and most likely I'm gonna go on the 1 minute. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at, right? So there's a gap right here, slight gap right there, right? So what I want to see is some consolidation on the 1 minute, boom 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 boom, and going for a sell. Or if it comes back to that gap right away, we could take a buy. And that gap is at, let me see, 15066, which is right here. 15066, right there. Oh, you guys can't look at my screen, but yeah, at the right side. Okay, wait, it's going up. That might be it right there, bro. That might be it right there, bro. I don't know if I want to take it though. Sketch. That might have been it right there. We want to see some more consolidation before we go in though. It could shoot up. Don't get it twisted. It could shoot up right past it, but you gotta see how it acts. It could go a whole 20 pips above before it starts doing it. Nah, not 20 pips. What am I saying? It's gonna be at this area if it's gonna reverse. We gotta be patient. I want to jump in now, but you gotta be patient. You gotta see the signs. There's gaps, lots of gaps, but not many signs. We're pushing. We're not really pushing up, and we're not really pushing down right now. So I do feel like it needs to do a little retracement. Dude, rage is going crazy. Or my avocado egg white sandwiches are downstairs. And I think I'm gonna have to cut it for now. Yeah, we're pushing up, bro. We're pushing up. Might be a GG's. Alright, we're pushing a little bit. Still not really pushing much at all. Might tell you that. Might have to chalk up today. There's a 1L trade. I'll take it. I used to be losing a lot more. Yeah, stretching this hole, bro. I turn on some Halo. Doing around, looking to the right. I look at myself a lot. Yep. Alright. Only other trade I see here. Obviously this one. And if it gets down here, actually no, I just make it invalid. Yeah, I think we're done, bro. Not gonna hold you. Alright guys, that was my first vid to the channel. Recap, we lost one trade, it's minus 60, and yeah, no more trades were taken after that. We're on to the next day. All right, so I'll see you guys later. Take care.